Hello and welcome. My name is Steve Bunker. I'm the founder of Target Patients MD. If you're in the business of hair restoration, you came to the right place. Check out this slideshow that I put together for you. It's got a lot of assets and a lot of examples of exactly what we include in our program, and I think it's going to bring a lot of good value. So give me 1 second. I'm going to share my screen with you, and I really think you're going to love what you're about to see. Okay, here we are. Target Patients MD. Now, we're powered by artificial intelligence. That's what sets us apart from all marketing companies. We own a technology that no one else has. It's called the Ollie 360. It actually talks to Google's algorithm behind the scenes. It's phenomenal. Now, let's talk solutions. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty, guys. This is what you need to be successful. Now, we specialize in non-surgical hair loss treatments, like you see here, and also surgical hair loss procedures. So we offer both. 70% of our business is in the hair loss. This is what we specialize in, and that's important. It's a niche that we perfected. Now, I strongly suggest, because we're going to bring a lot of traffic to your website, always display the other services that you offer. Okay? It just helps the upsell, like stem cell therapy, hair transplant repairs, you know, just make a list and display it because the upsell is just as important. Here's some samples of some websites we put together for our clients, and we're proud of them. And they're Google optimized. All our websites score so awesome with Google because we build them backwards and we build it the right way. So I'm just going to briefly go through some of the sites so you get an idea of kind of artistic skills, and we set things in positions. You don't want to have a lot of paragraphs. You want bulleted items. You want a lot of pictures. You want videos. You want it to really be easy to navigate. Now, this particular page here is great for conversions. So it's basically saying book your complimentary private consultation in 3 easy steps because you want to capture the lead. You don't want them. Most people, when they're looking, oh, the majority, let's say 70% of people at view after hours. So you're not going to be around to take the call, or they're shy to call. Okay. But you want to get that lead and you want to follow up and nurture that lead. So we strongly believe in using this type of format to grab the lead. It's also very important that you tell a story, speak about yourself, how great you are. So here's a prime example. How many years you've been in business? How many procedures you've successfully done? This builds confidence with the prospect. It's very important. Video is huge, and Google loves video. Definitely talk about yourself. They want to know who's the guy that's going to be doing this procedure. Is he famous? What is he? So talking about the surgeon, about yourself is so important. Make it clear, make it simple. Now, one thing we're great at is grabbing the attention from the prospect. The ads have to pull attention to get results. That's the first step. Our ads pop. It's so important, guys. Don't use stock photography. I'll repeat it. Do not use stock photography. That means you're fake. Use real photos. Before and after. This is probably the most important part of the whole entire journey that client's going to take, that prospect's going to take. They want to see results. And what have you done? Let's see some before and afters. Oh my God, this is incredible. This could happen to me too. I'm booking an appointment with these people. I'm using this doctor. He's incredible. So before and afters are super, super, super important. Obviously, social media, it has to be updated constantly. Don't fall behind. Call to actions on your website is very important. And making it simple to schedule a consultation. Don't let a little button be hidden. Make it big, make it large, make it bold. That's so critical. Now, this is a pop up that when they're about to leave your website, this pops up. It's called an exit pop up. It grabs the attention before they leave. It's a last attempt to get their information. And if you grab their email, that's awesome. So offer something free, give them some value, and you'll see 40% of the people will leave their email, and that means 4 out of 10 people you have an opportunity to follow up with. And there's maybe a reason why they left so early, you know, but you want to call them and push that sale, follow up on that lead. So it's these call to actions are super important. Here's another one right here. This one I really like. So they're offering a free quote and $500 off, and they're grabbing the email and the phone, which is awesome. So now you can do an SMS text and an email drip campaign. So the importance to win at pay per click is having the right keywords, having a strategy in place, and this is what we're great at. We know what works and what doesn't work for hair restoration clinics. And I'm going to send you this deck so you have and you can read it, because if I spend too much time on each slide, I'll be here forever. And I know your time is valuable. So I'm going to send this to you, but check out some of these keywords. Long tail keywords work the best. And we captured this and we already did our research. We know exactly what works. Now, it's important to have a quiz to qualify because the prospect's going to love it too. Gee, do I qualify for this hair procedure? Well, let me take the quick 3-minute quiz. Now, this quiz is awesome because it's also going to give you the lead that you want. They're going to learn about your practice, what you do, what you can't do. And you're going to get information that you want from them, which is super valuable. Again, I'm going to give you this deck so you can take your time and really look at this stuff. But this is what works. We've done our research and we highly recommend it. So, the last part of, again, there was a lot more than just these 3 slides here. It actually had 9 different sections of the quiz. Takes around 3 minutes. But the last part is you're grabbing their information. Don't be scared to display prices either. People are shopping, they have a certain affordability, and just be transparent. Video testimonials from your clients is gold. You have to get video professional testimonials. It tells the story, it uses psychology, and it says, wow, look how happy they are, look how good they look. This is the doctor I want to use. Client reviews, super, super important. Ask for the 5-star review before they leave your office. Have them do it while you're there. Get a QR code, make a nice plaque, and say, hey, would you mind scanning this QR code and giving us a 5-star review? It'll mean the world to all of us. Thank you so much. And they'll do it. You'll see. But it's super, super important. Offering financing also is very important. And of course, blogging. You have to blog at the right time with the right story. It helps tremendously. And we're going to do all this for you, keep in mind. Answer their questions, earn their trust, and then book that consultation. This is also, we're able to get you attention and featured on NBC, Today, Allure, InStyle, People, Healthline, New York Post. This gives so much credibility, and this is something we offer as well. So, guys, without marketing, no one sees you. Without branding, no one trusts you. Your hair restoration business needs both marketing and branding. My name is Steve Bunker. I'm the founder of the company. Looking forward to speaking to you, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you.